Hey guys, so as you can see, Christmas is coming up, and with that, here are some ideas I'd love to share to you. If you have a friend who is a gym rat, just like me, all the workout scars and bruises, I just thought of some ideas together with Keith and a few of my team. Here are some tips that you can give your friend. First tip is the Gym Essentials Kit. So imagine, you got them a bag, you got some lifting straps, some resistance bands, some, do we have even a sweat towel here? Oh no, just workout gear. But yeah, sweating towel, like those microfibers, those really nice ones, and a reusable shaker bottle. Make sure that the shaker bottle keeps the cold in there, so it's perfect for this hot, humid Philippine weather. Number 2, smart protein snack box. Instead of the usual Christmas basket that we give with ham and all that, sorry Magnolia or whatever brand's out there. Ano ba yung brand? CTO. Let's give them these gym rats, the number 1 ingredient, macro that they need, just protein, right? So protein bars, low calorie chips, an RTD, protein shake. RTD means ready to drink, right? Like Quest, Bear Bells, My Protein. Sponsor me, please. Number 3, a customized water bottle or gym towel. Check it out, Holistic Fitness, HoliFit. We can customize it for you guys. If you want, we'll give you some stickers. Just put it on your tumblers. Look, I put it on my iPad. I put it on my MacBook Pro. Wouldn't it be awesome if their name was HoliFit and you'd put it on their towel? All jokes aside, if you put their name on it, like Jose or Keith or JL, they would love it, and no one would want to steal their towel anymore or water bottle. The next thing that we're really big into is recovery. Okay, if you train hard, if you eat right, but if you don't get enough rest, you won't build those great muscles or burn that fat because you won't have energy at your next workout. So this tip here, number 4, is a massage gun or recovery tools. So think of a Theragun that we use, right? You could use a foam roller or even these massage ball sets. Like I have one, I put in the fridge. I use it while working and it's cold, so it's amazing. Highly, highly recommend it. Number 5, fitness tech upgrades. I'm a tech bro, not just a gym bro, so highly recommend. If you're a rich person, give them a new Garmin or Whoop, baka naman. Or, buhay pa ba ang Fitbit? Sorry. Apple Watch, because I'm an Apple whore. So those would be great. Earbuds as well. Noise canceling, in-ear, over-ear, depends on what they like. So even a smart jump rope where it counts your reps. As simple as that. That's still tech. All right, so that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tip. And if you know me personally, now you know what to get me this Christmas. If you still can't get any of those, money would do for sure. Gcash me, right? That's fine too, fintech. All jokes aside, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any comments or suggestions as to what would be a good gift, let me know and we'll tag your friends so they know what to get you.